Hi, today I will be showing my Krups espresso machine. So we're going to do this quickly to show you guys. I'm going to put 4 cups of water. And I've seen a couple of online reviews and I noticed that they brew the coffee first. But I read a tip on the booklet that I received for you to... Right, so as I was saying, I saw some tips and tricks online and they said first do the steam the milk and then the coffee because the steamer takes up too much of the water, so then you won't get much coffee. So here I'm pouring in as much coffee as you like. I am using Café Bustelo. I really like that nutty flavor, and then I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg, just a dash, sprinkle. And so let's go. I'm gonna hook it up here. Whoops, see, that's hooked up. I love the design. Make sure this is closed because I've heard people say it explodes. I'm not sure. Oh, one last thing I forgot to say, a lot of people buy the little metal thing to bring it down. I use one of my K-cups and do that. Then here we go. Hook that up. The water is in. Let's put this in. I'm going to try and steam a little bit of half and half. I'm not sure how that will go as it's my first time trying it. So let me just put a little bit of that in. Excuse my nails, guys, they're a mess. Been working all day. So now we're going to turn the knob. Let me just move this out the way. I'm going to turn the knob backwards, frontwards. 1, 2. That's the little steamer there. Let me see if you guys can see. Right there, little steam. And back over here. And we're going to, let me just bring this over here. Okay, there's the little steamer. The little steamer now. We're gonna wait. I'll bring the milk close by. And this way you'll see how long it takes for the machine to start steaming up. I might fast forward this part a little bit so that you guys don't get a little too bored, but here just want to show you guys. Again, I'm using half and half. Let's see how that will go. If that doesn't steam well, then I will use 2% milk. Reduced fat milk doesn't really froth well, but I don't drink regular milk unless it's half and half, which I just decided to start. I'm not sure why, because it does have more fat than 2%, but story of my life. So we're waiting, still waiting. Nothing there yet. And it's a short, this gets hot, so I want to tell you guys, please do not touch this as it gets very, very hot. And it is a short stick, so I like it. It's not too long. You can put a long cup, short cup. And I really do like the style of it. It's cute. Next to it, I have my Keurig K-cups. I use that when I'm more on the rush. I have my cups under and then my little coffee's on top. And just telling you that, guys, while we're waiting for this to start steaming up. And here I have a handheld frother. I got this online for like $10. So, good price. You can find a cheaper one. Oh, okay, so here right here, a little something. A little something. I saw a couple of drops of water coming out, and I just want to show you guys. Water's coming out. Not sure why. That would have been going in my milk. Hasn't happened before. What I do now? it gets extremely hot. It is a bit loud. So let's just wait for some of the water to clear up. Make sure we're clear from that water. Be careful, we don't want to get burned. Oh, my cable's back there. Alright, steam it is. Now, let's take it up a bit. So here we go. It is a bit loud. Just gotta be careful. That off. Wow, that was fast. If I had 2 hands, I would have done it quicker, but I'm here holding my phone. Yes, I am using a Samsung phone because I didn't feel like bringing down the camera. Either way, yes, I got a camera, but today I'm using the phone. And see how fast the coffee comes out? It's a little noisy. Remember, I put in 4 cups of water. I had put in 4 cups of water, and I used the steamer first. So let's see how much of steam got used up. How much water? Okay, about a cup. So there you go. See, the steam is coming up. It has not exploded. It has not exploded. And here is our espresso. Just wait till it stops dripping a little more. Still dripping. And let's check the milk, how it frothed. Okay, good so far. Could have probably done it a little longer. I just gotta clean this little mess back here. Water. And this is still going. Okay, I think it's safe to turn it off. The little light came off. I forgot to mention the light will turn on. So I do like it. I think it's cute. And let's see. Here we have our cup. Put this out the way. Here we have our cup. Whoops. And let's pour it. I didn't want it too dark, so we'll just leave it like that. And let's put in a little bit of the, want a good view, right? And let's, on the side. I don't want too much of the milk. Let me just dump a little out. And here we go. My espresso from my Krups. Thank you for watching, guys.